Hello teachers, in this video I am going to share with you how to create question paper manually. For that, the information which you need will be available in teacher question repository. In this page all the information are there which is required to create question paper manually. These are the questions which has been created by teacher himself or herself. So what you have to notice is that class, subject, sub-subject, chapter, question type, marks, how many questions of a particular 1 mark of that type. Suppose here there are 3 questions, subjective questions of 1 mark and 6 objective questions of 1 mark. So with this information, let us go to create question paper. Here we have to fill all the necessary information. Marks, let's say 6. I am selecting for the time being. Official language, question language will be the medium of instruction. Board will be CBSE. Class will be, if you could remember, it was class 7. The subject was Hindi Sahitya Ba. Question, let's say Hindi paper 1, number of section as of now. All questions mandatory. I'm selecting manual one because I want to show you how to create question one manually. Question source will be teacher's question. If you could remember, this was the chapter, so that information should be kept in mind, and click on save. I'll be choosing 2 rows, one for objective and one for subjective. Section time will be same as the allowed time, that is 10 minutes here. Put the cursor somewhere else, it will be 10 in both the rows. Question type objective, number of questions 3, question marks 1, total marks 3. Then subjective, I hope you could remember there was 3 questions of subjective type, so I am selecting 3, each carries 1 mark. Click the cursor somewhere else, it will be 3. So you have to click on next. Once you click on next, this page will come. So first of all you have to click here. These are the questions which you have to add. Click on search option. Click on the exact chapter, that is Hindi Sahitya Ba. Chapter would be this one, and search. Now all these questions that has been created by the teacher has been displayed here. Now I will be choosing one by one. Add question. Click on this question, it will be selected. Add question, this will be selected. Add question, this is selected. Add question, this is selected. Sorry, it is the 3 objective has been done. Now it will be subjective, so I have to choose one subjective, that is this one. Add question, this one. Add question, this one. So in this way I have selected all the questions. These questions were already there in the teacher's question repository. So I'll be clicking on save paper, so the paper will be saved. So these are the options. This is for the view paper, this is for edit, and this is for freeze. Once you freeze, this will be ready to assign for the students. Thank you.